Meaning of electrocardiogram.
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 Electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram, or ECG, is a medical test that records the electrical activity of the heart. It measures the rate and rhythm of heartbeats, and provides information about the size and position of the heart chambers. The result of an ECG test is a graph, called an electrocardiogram, which shows the heart's electrical activity as it moves through the cardiac cycle. This information can be used to diagnose heart conditions such as arrhythmia, myocardial infarction, and heart failure. An abnormal ECG result may indicate a problem with the heart's electrical system, which may require further evaluation or treatment.